For a recent project, I came across a new stitch. It's that I've never worked on before. It's called the Half Single Crochet. To demonstrate how the half single crochet is made, I'm going to make a chain of 8. That's 7, and then there's 8. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Then we will go back and make 7 stitches. 1, 2. These are normal single stitches. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now turn your project. Now I'm going to show you how we make the half single crochet. In order to do so, you have to yarn over, go through the first V, or the second V actually, pull a loop. Now take the third loop through the first 2 loops. This makes your first half single crochet. Let's try it again. Pull, yarn over, go through the V, pull a loop. We have 3 loops on the hook. Take the third loop and pull it through the last 2 loops. Let's do it again. Yarn over, through the V, pull a loop, 3 loops on the hook. Take the last third loop and pull it through the last 2. This stitch is called the half single crochet. You might come across it in some projects like I just did. Thank you for watching. Bye.